Thanks for joining me today. I'm Andrew, and today I'd like to show you how to find the inverse of the function f of x is equal to 12 minus x squared on the given domain of 0 to infinity. So the domain, basically just don't even worry about it, just kind of ignore it. All right, we're just going to focus on how to find, because it really doesn't do anything, we're just going to focus on how to find the inverse of the function. So first thing is take your f of x and just rewrite it as y. Now some of these steps you could skip, but I like to do it in this process. Then what you're going to do is everywhere you have a y, you're going to write an x. And everywhere you have an x, you're going to write a y. Keep everything else the same. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take this equation and you're going to solve it for y. Okay, so I need to isolate y by itself. So what you're going to do is you're going to subtract then the 12 on over, all right? And it becomes x minus 12 is going to be equal to now negative y squared. So what you really have to do now is you have to kind of get rid of the negative sign, all right? Bring it on over, so you divide each thing by -1, okay? And what happens now is that this would basically become negative x plus 12, or you can rewrite that as 12 minus x, or you can just leave it alone. You can just leave it like that, okay? And that's going to be then equal to y squared, and then to find y, all we're going to do is simply square root both sides. All right, and now we're left with the square root of 12 minus x is equal to y. And that's basically the inverse function, but I'm going to do one little thing on the y here. I'm not going to write it as y, I'm going to write it as the inverse function, f of x minus 1. All right, and then just copy what you got on the other side. All right, if you wanted to write this on the left and this on the right, by all means go for it. It doesn't matter at all because they're equal. So that's it. That's all there is to it. And I do hope this helps, all right? Check out our channel because we've got thousands of solved problems. We want to help you through a bunch of your classes, all right? And the best way to do well on your tests is to do practice, all right? But not only practice, but you got to know whether you're doing it right or not. And if you get stuck, you want to know where you're getting stuck. We got you covered, all right? Take a look. We got math, chemistry, physics. We have a whole lot of stuff coming out. And yeah, we want to help you through, all right? I hope you have a great day.